Hey, welcome to my channel once again. Thanks for being here. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad, and I've been in the online space for over 2 years now. Today, I want to share a Google Doc with you, and I'm going to leave a link for this below so you can go ahead and just download it yourself and go through it at your own pace. Okay, very quickly, I just want to sort of say if you're looking to build a thriving online business in 2025, this is a really great way to get started. Okay, so I want to really break it down for you so you can have access to this and follow in my footsteps, follow in my mentor's footsteps. Okay, and true high ticket affiliate marketing is simplifying the process completely, but this is just another option. If you want to create your own products, you can do. If you don't want to, again, this framework is going to show you exactly how to get where you need to be. If you've got a busy life, you stay home mom or dad, if you've got a busy work-life balance, if you're working night shift, if you're in emergency services, whatever it is your situation dictates of you, I suppose. And if you want more freedom, if you want more financial freedom, more time with your kids and family, okay, whatever it is, whatever your goals, whatever your dreams, hold on to it. Okay, one life we get. So whether you just want to do this on the side of your regular job or whether you want to actually one day escape that 9 to 5 rat race, whatever your vision is for your business, hold on to it. That why you're doing this is going to be that one thing that really gets you through some of the times of self-doubt. We all have it, okay? We have to work on a mindset on a regular basis. Well, I do. Anyway, so I'm just going to go through this Google Doc for you very quickly. It's not too big, okay, but I will leave a link below so you can download it yourself too. So how to build a thriving business online, step-by-step blueprint for digital success. Okay, so getting started and understanding the foundations is key, of course. So digital products are a game changer. You need to be getting into the digital world if you're not already. The business model relies on creating products that exist entirely online. So no physical inventory here. And this can be whether you're going to create your own digital products through the likes of ebooks, etc., or whether you're going to leverage somebody else's business, somebody else's expertise, such as high ticket affiliate marketing, which is what I do. Okay, and think of it as just promoting somebody else's product or service and getting paid a commission for doing so when you drive traffic to a link. Simple as that. It's not difficult. This is how you can fit in affiliate marketing around your busy life. You just create content that drives traffic to your link, and then the company takes care of everything else. This is how we've got here 90% done for you digital service on the back end of your business, right? So something to think about, something to talk about maybe in the future. If you want to reach out to me, you can do. You can leave comments below. When I reach out to you, we can have a one-to-one, whatever it might be. So product, your offer. Okay, every online business starts with a solution. Identify a specific problem in a particular group of people that they face and design a product to solve that problem for them. Ultimately, that's what you want to be doing. So whether it's an ebook, course, subscription, community, whatever it might be, you need to establish what that is and actually create that product or leverage somebody else's. So your audience, of course, people who need your product, people who need your service. I mean, I'm in the wealth niche, okay? So people who are looking to improve their lifestyle, whether that might be for more time freedom. Some people like to travel more, so they want a business whereby they can work from anywhere globally. It might be something you can do in the evenings or on weekends to actually bring additional income streams into your family. Or it might be an opportunity you're looking for completely something new so you can escape that 9 to 5 job that you don't like so much. Whatever your goals, this is what you can achieve through an online business. Okay, so know your audience, know who you're targeting, know who needs to be hearing your message, and create content that aligns with that. So once you've automated your business as well, this is obviously going to allow you to have a business running for you 24/7 on autopilot. This is how you're going to make sales in your sleep, when you're on holiday, etc. Right? So really, really important to automate your business. Finding your niche is really key. Now, there's many niches. Okay, as I've said, I'm already in the wealth niche. Whatever you decide needs to be aligned with your passions, your interests. It might be your own hobbies that you have already. So go into that. Go into the list. That's just a small list. Okay, there's absolutely dozens and dozens and dozens of opportunities online, and you could even branch out as you build your business later on down the line. So start small. Know your audience. Absolutely key. Whether you're into fitness, whether you're into personal growth, whether you're into mindset, whether you're into pet products, whatever it might be for you. Okay, you need to know that and go into the process yourself. So once you've done that, okay, build your brand on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, whatever your platform of choice is going to be. And just, if it's on Instagram, ultimately what you're going to be doing is use your name on your handle, okay, because it creates your personal brand. Write a compelling bio. Things like ChatGPT will help you do that, or certainly the AI tools that we use inside our community. That's aligned with our education, our frameworks, our strategies. It's all aligned with that tool, so that might be a really good option for you if you do join that. Who do you help and how? Of course, obviously, it needs generally 3 lines, okay? So line 1, who you help and how you're going to help them, why you're the right person for the job, and a call to action directing followers to your resources. So click on the link below to get more information, or watch the free video below and point into your domain website address. Your content strategy, of course, is when you ideally want to be posting daily, okay? So if you're an affiliate marketer, that's all you have to focus on, is creating content that drives traffic to your link. You can post 1 reel a day, you can post 3 reels a day. As long as it's good quality value content, you're going to get followers. So it can be 1 reel, 1 carousel with, like I say, valuable, actionable content. 3 to 5 Instagram stories is generally the rule of thumb per day, with quick tips. And don't overthink this. This can be you just having a sip of coffee in your break at work. Okay, it doesn't need to be. It can be you looking at your watch, wondering what time you're going to finish today, or looking forward to, is it 5 o'clock yet? You know what I mean? So it can be anything like that. A little insight into the world of you for your audience. So I've got here, go live twice a week to engage directly with your audience. I used to go live every day on TikTok, okay? Now, that was when I was selling digital marketing courses. I don't do that anymore. I want to build a business that's sustainable, that doesn't require me to go live every day on TikTok, which again is why I do high-ticket affiliate marketing and not just sell digital marketing courses. So nothing wrong with it though, it works fine. It's a great strategy, certainly when you're getting started, because it does attract followers into your world. It really, really does. So I do still go live, but periodically. I might start doing it once a week again, but at the moment I do it like once every couple of weeks, as and when I can fit it in. Everyone's different, okay? So, but what I'm saying to you is, don't just have a business that relies on you going live. Initially, yes, do it. But ultimately, what you want to be building here is a business that can convert into subscribers and sales just by creating content that actually converts. That's the trick here. That's the actual goal that you want to be achieving for yourself, because then you can just have that freedom that you long for, right? Without being tied to going live all the time. So add in your link. I've got that there. So professional communication, use dedicated email for your business, such as yourbrand.com. Okay, always try and make it professional. Like for me, mine is www.thesixfiguredad.com. My email address is darren@thesixfiguredad.com. So try and align that with your business. We're all as professional. Create an online store if you wanted to. I don't have that currently. I used to. And if you are going down that route, I recommend StanStore. I love StanStore. It's really, really user friendly. It's easy to get set up. It's perfect for beginners, but it does come at a price point. Okay, I think they've got 2 price points, I believe, $29 a month or $99 a month, depending on what services you require from them. Okay, so for me, I'm all about singular focus now, and I think having a one domain link that goes to a 2-page funnel and then into an automation email sequence is, for me, a simplified process and a less confusing process for your followers. So what I've discovered over my 2 years is, if you've got multiple products on a StanStore or a beacons page or a pillar is another one, it can sometimes confuse your audience. So if you're promoting a particular product, they go to your StanStore or your beacons page and you've got 20 products on there. It's like, oh, well, which one was this person talking about and which one shall I get? This one looks good, and then they'll just scroll. They won't buy because they're like, well, there's too many choices. That's what I found. Anyway, it works for some people, but it's not working for the majority. Okay, I think it's all about. I follow different kinds of mentors in this space, and the people I follow have one link. They don't have a standstill. The only times they will have a standstill is if they're offering one-to-one services or if they're offering coaching programs, and it's a way of taking payment through for their coaching program. So majority of these people will either change the landing page to suit the product they're promoting at that time, or they'll just have one landing page that goes into the funnel and they sell digital products on the back end of their business through email. Okay, so just think about that. It's just options, guys. Okay, lead magnets. These can be anything from downloadable checklists. This, what I've got in front of you right now, is a lead magnet. Okay, I'm going to leave a link for this below. You can go and grab it yourself. You can download this document. You can go through the trainings, and you can reach out to me if you've got any questions. Lead magnets are great. Okay, and they can be anything like this. They can be Google Doc, it can be a PDF, it can be a mini video course, it can be a free community, whatever you want it to be. Okay, a lead magnet is what you're going to use to capture someone's email address. So you're basically giving them a piece of information, a product, some value in exchange for their email address. And then, of course, you're going to be able to give them more information as they develop on their journey. Information is going to be valuable to them and their business as they grow. So important to offer value. Okay, don't be spamming them all the time with loads of different emails about different products that you don't believe in yourself. You need to align with something. If you don't align with what you're promoting yourself, then you're just going to crash and burn, because your business is not going. It's not going to have longevity, because people are they're going to figure you out pretty quickly. You've got to offer value, and if you promoted something and then all of a sudden you decide, you know what, I don't align with that anymore, stop promoting it. Okay, like I've done with my YouTube channel, I've removed certain videos that I no longer promote, so I've just removed them. I don't want people buying certain products or having access to certain products that I no longer believe in myself. So that's just me. I've been in business over 20 years. I think it's so important to have that trust, that value, that alignment. So your audience are going to get to know, like, and trust you, because that's what builds a business, right? They'll buy from you once, they'll buy from you again. But just be authentic. That's all I'm saying. Build an engaged community. Just exactly what I've been talking about there. Okay, create valuable content, quick tips, engagement activities, regular value-packed posts. Keep your audience engaged. Okay. And listen, if this is overwhelming you, do not worry, okay? Because I'm just kind of going through this process here. I'll kind of skip through it a little bit quicker. So set up your automated messaging. If you are using Instagram, ManyChat is perfect for that, because it'll feed out all the direct messaging, all the follow-ups for you without you having to worry about it. So that works on the basis of somebody's made a comment that aligns with your setup for your ManyChat account, then they'll just automate that follow-up sequence for you. If we go to the product suite, I mean, if you are someone looking to create digital products yourself, we tend to look at low tier, which is your $27 ebooks, mid tier $97, and then high tiers can be your $597 plus. High ticket affiliate marketing is generally when you're looking at things like $750, $1,000 plus commissions. That's your high ticket commissions. Okay, high ticket affiliate marketing for me is the way to go. But these are just some examples of digital products for you. Email marketing is by far the most important thing you want to be looking for yourself. You've got to be building an email list. If you're not building an email list, you're not building a business. So I'll leave a link here for a system that I still use, and this is for your free account. You can get free access to this, and it's free until I think you get some like 2,000 subscribers, I believe. So click this link, use that. Yes, that is an affiliate link, but at the end of the day, it's a free piece of software until you get to that 2,000 subscriber, or you want multiple campaigns. If you do, when you get to that point, and if you do decide to upgrade, then that's when I would get a commission on the back of you clicking the link initially. But it's no additional cost to you. Okay, bear that in mind. Please note that. So I'll drop a link below for this blueprint. Have a look at it. If you've got any questions, please do reach out. Leave some comments below. But I will hopefully see you either inside my emails. If you've got any questions, you can reply to my emails, or I'll see you in the community very soon. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.